Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Ghost. This is another edition of our weekly watch list where I give you guys my best setups coming into this week. Last week I had a pretty phenomenal week, minus the last 2 days of the week, but I capitalized when the setups did come during the first 3 days, and I'm hoping I can get some similar price action this week. First, we're going to go into SPY ETF. The first setup I'm going to be looking at is the upside setup. We did get a nice decent move up, but we did not get quite to where I would like to have seen the rejection. So I do think there is going to be orders still left up there, and we could potentially go get that this week. So I'm going to be waiting to see us break back above 580.33. If I would have to pick an area to trim once I take that long position, it would be somewhere around this 581.8. And then the ultimate test will be to see this resistance. If we break back above it, 582.78, above there, we can look to get that resistance touch up there. For the downside, I'm going to stay bullish until we break back below this 575 and this 574.41. Once we break that, I'd like to see it bounce, retest, and then break back down. You can take the initial break, probably be aggressive, but that's mainly what I'm going to be looking for on SPY. Let's go into QQQ. So here, looking at QQQ, very similar setups. We're holding this daily level. I'd like to see us breaking back above this previous demand, 497.47, to have that confluence for the upside setup. And if we do lose this daily level, I'm going to be looking to see us break below some of these demands first before I start taking a stronger downside position. So 491.66 will give me a better risk reward setup to get at least to test this daily level. Or at least you can test this first support, bounce, and then finish our move down to the next daily level. But as long as we're holding this daily level up here at 494.21, I'd like to see us get a test to this 501. You can see we rejected early. The reason I had that last bit of a bullish sentiment on Friday, I was looking to see that get tested up there. Looks like they left it untested, so I'm going to be targeting that for the week. And that's it for QQQ. Let's get into the futures. So coming into this week with ES futures, you can see how my levels spaced out. I'm going to be blocking a lot of the noise out and using SPY for mainly the precise entries that I'm going to be looking for. But I do have confluences I'm going to be watching with ES. So these are key areas that we do need to hold for the upside, which is 58.01 and 58.44. If we do break below here like we did on Friday and we stay there for the pre-market after hour trading coming in to tomorrow's session, I'm going to be watching to see us get a test down here and then holding above there to see if we can get back above this 58.44. But above 58.84, I'm going to be targeting this resistance area, 59.09, 59.10, and then breaking 59.15. I'm going to start more aggressively looking for upside. And just basically using this as more of a confluence this week because we did stay in this range bound. I'm not too happy with all the levels being tested over and over again. So that's why I'm going to be using SPY for more precise entries and just confluence with key levels on ES. Let's get into NQ. So NQ is much more cleaner price action that I could be following this week. As you can see, we made these levels here. This support I'm going to be watching at 20,428.5. See if that gets tested before pre-market tomorrow. And then seeing if we break back above this daily, 20,614.5. That will signal to me to stay ultra bullish and look for more of an upside move. Breaking below 20,261 is when I'm going to start to look for the downside setups. And especially if we break that 20,206, targeting that 20,079, and then that daily retest at 19,961. So those are my main setups and main confluences for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys make a lot of money coming into this week. We do have elections coming up, so the volatility should start picking up. Great time for traders. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night. Peace.